Okay, so now we are going to solve this question in which it says that you have to find the derivative of 1 over x minus 1. So first of all, I'm going to convert this thing into a function by putting it equal to y. Okay, and after that I'm going to add my increment in the dependent variable as well as in the independent variable. Oh, sorry. X is the independent variable, y is the dependent variable. After that, I'm just going to move this y to the right hand side, and I'm going to put the value of y from this equation over here. So that is minus 1 over x minus a. Now, in the previous questions, what we have done, simple thing, we have to combine these two things by the LCM method. So I'm going to combine this thing x minus a and x plus delta x minus a. And according to the LCM, this thing is present over here. So this thing would come over here and then negative sign. And x minus a is present over here. So we are going to include this thing for the LCM of this one, right? So this one goes over here. And next thing is x minus a. And we have to multiply this negative sign into this whole term. So this becomes negative x, negative delta x, and positive a, because negative negative gives us positive. Okay, so and this goes the same, x plus delta x minus a. And this x and this x is cancelled, a and a are cancelled, and what remains is negative delta x divided by x minus a and x plus delta x minus a. Now the fifth step, actually you have to divide delta x, and you can see that there is a delta x. So if we divide delta x on both sides, this can be cancelled. And I have told you in my previous videos that you have to simplify it up to the point where you can take out delta x common from the terms and you can cancel it from the denominator, right? Now what we have to do, you have to apply the limit of delta x, which would be approaching to 0. And at the top we have negative 1. Oops, I forgot to put the limit over here. Delta x approaches to 0. And the bottom we have x minus a and x plus delta x minus a. Now wherever there is a delta x in this whole term, we are going to put a 0 over there. So you can see obviously from the equation that this is the point we have to put 0. So we get minus 1 over x minus a and x minus a, right? This becomes 0. So our final derivative is x minus a square, and this is the derivative of the function 1 over x minus a. Now I would like to request you to watch my previous videos, because in those videos I have also taught you some tips and tricks to actually solve these steps, and how to derive a method to reach a point where you can take out delta x common. Okay, so I encourage you to watch my previous videos.